in the classroom at the center of Area Island. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Have you ever heard of sustainability? It means reuse and respect the environment.
Here I have a bag of some used food. Veggie straws, a little bit of an orange.
And when the food breaks down, we can put it into the soil and it helps our plants grow.
Global warming is very important. Global warming doesn't just affect our community, it affects the whole world's community. I mean, it does have the word global in it. And if you want your children or grandchildren's life to be super good, fix it now rather than later.
Sustainability is important to me because I can help rescue animals, and sustainability is helping our community and animals in need, like I did. I seen this sea turtle that needed help, and so I made the right choice as a grateful human. And I helped it because also I like to help a lot. I am a really nice little lady.
How did you help it?
So there was this Gatorade wrapper tied around its neck. And so when it came on shore, I seen it. So I took some scissors and cut it off, and that sea turtle lived happily.
You love basketball? Well, did you know that recycling is essential to everything in our environment? Just like LeBron James is to basketball. Did you know that? That was like sick. Slam dunk.
Nice.